Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Astra. It's a GTC or 1.4 turbo. It's got some nice extras on it. It's in lovely condition, as you can see. A low mileage. It's just going to be serviced and MOT'd. So we've got gleaming white paintwork, the upgraded diamond cut alloy wheels. It's rare to come by. It's got the extra lip spoiler on the back. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the parcel shelf, electric windows, electric mirrors, full leather interior. This is all extras. Inside the car, just start it up. Sounds everything's quiet. Let's get the mileage up for you. 50,692 miles. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone prep, air conditioning, 3-stage heated seats, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox, augs and USB. As you can see, it's in lovely condition throughout. Auto headlights as well. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.